Hello everyone, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous Christmas scenery. Christmas is my favorite holiday of the year, and this year I decided to start a little early creating my decorations. I will be having a series of Christmas DIYs, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. And as I said, if you're not subscribed, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Now, let's get creating. So to start creating my scenery, I will be using these two reindeers that I got from Dollar Tree. They come two in a pack, but because they're a little bit too plain for me, I'm going to be decorating them with this glitter glue, and it's in the color silver. So let me show you what they look like. I added some of the glitter glue to the antlers and to the scarf that the reindeers are wearing. I also picked up from Dollar Tree this cute little Christmas tree. It has this LED light and it changes colors, so it's really beautiful, but also kind of plain, so I decided to add some of that glitter glue to it too. Next, I'm going to be taking this floral foam and I'm going to be placing my reindeers and the little Christmas tree. I'm just trying to see how I'm going to place them inside my bowl, so I'm just trying to position them and see how I want my scenery to look. Okay, so I'm going to be using this silver glitter to add a little more sparkle to my reindeers. I'm going to add some to the little scarf and to the antlers. And I'm also going to do the same thing to the little Christmas tree. That's more like it. I really like the sparkle on them. Okay, now I'm going to take this cute little snowman and I'm going to hot glue it in between the reindeers. And for the Christmas tree, I am not going to hot glue it because you don't have to turn it on from the bottom. So I will set it in at the end when I finish doing my scenery. Okay, now to decorate my glass bowl, I will be using these cute flowers embellishments that I got from Michael's, and I'm just going to glue them around the opening of the bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna take this wooden plaque that I got from Michael's, and I'm gonna take another round disc, the floral foam, and I'm gonna glue them together, and then I'm going to glue my bowl on top of the foam. Okay, when you're gluing the bowl to the foam, make sure it's centered so that everything looks nice. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of hot glue to the legs of the reindeers, and then I'm gonna put glue to the foam, and I'm gonna glue my foam with my decorations inside the bowl. Okay, let me show you what it looks so far. And now I'm gonna add some of this artificial snow that is also from the Dollar Tree. And now I'm gonna add this other type of artificial snow. I prefer this one, but I only had a little bit, so that's why I chose to add this one on top. Next, I'm going to be using these snowflake stickers, and they are really beautiful, very glittery, and I'm going to be gluing them around my bowl. And now to decorate the foam and the base of my scenery, I'm going to be using some of these white flowers. Okay, I did not like at all the look of the flowers on this, so I removed them, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint the plaque white, and then I'm gonna cover it with glitter. Now I'm going to be using some of this silver diamond wrap. I cut a strip of 4 rolls, and I'm gonna use it to cover the foam, and I'm just gonna hot glue it there. And now I'm gonna take 3 of these snowflakes, and I'm gonna glue them here right on the front. And this is how it looks. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I love how this turns out. Beautiful, beautiful. And now to seal the glitter, I'm going to be using Mod Podge. I'm just gonna brush it on lightly on top of the glitter. It's gonna look white in the beginning, but then it dries clear. So this is best to do so that all the glitter doesn't fall off and is everywhere. And I'll do the same to the Christmas tree. And now to put my scenery together, all I have to do is add my beautiful Christmas tree. And as I said, I'm not gonna hot glue it because I have to turn it on from the bottom and also change the battery from the bottom. So all I have to do is just sit it there, and look how beautiful my scenery looks. This is a very simple and very beautiful way to decorate for the Christmas holidays. Alright my friends, this is all for now. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe because I have a lot more beautiful DIY coming your way. See you next time.